For over 1 million years, if the sun went down and no one had fire, you sat in total darkness, blind, defenseless, listening. Then, somewhere, someone changed that forever. Nobody agreed on it. Nobody voted for it. There was no plan. And the strangest part isn't that it happened. It's that we still don't fully know how. Here's the part that surprises people first. Early humans almost certainly didn't invent fire. They stole it. A lightning strike, a wildfire, a smoldering branch left behind after nature did the work first. For thousands of years before humans could make fire themselves, evidence suggests they simply captured it, carrying burning embers, feeding them, guarding them like something alive. Losing that flame wasn't inconvenient. It could mean total darkness for months until the next lightning storm gave you a second chance. Fire wasn't created, it was rescued at some point, and researchers still argue fiercely about exactly when. Humans stopped waiting for fire to find them. Archaeological sites show controlled fire use going back at least 1 million years. But controlled use and the ability to create fire on demand are two completely different skills, and the gap between them may have taken hundreds of thousands of years to close. Friction, sparks struck from stone, someone, somewhere, noticed that enough force, enough heat, enough persistence could summon the exact thing they used to wait on lightning for. There's no single-name genius here, no credited inventor. Just an idea that had to be discovered independently, in scattered pockets, by people who had no way of telling each other it was even possible. Here's where it stops being a survival story and becomes something bigger. Researchers studying human evolution have proposed that cooking food didn't just make meals taste better, it made food dramatically easier to digest, freeing up enormous amounts of energy the body used to spend on digestion alone. That surplus energy, some scientists argue, may have helped fuel one of the most expensive organs in the human body, your brain. Fire didn't just keep you warm and safe, it may have helped build the exact organ you're using to understand this sentence right now. Every stove you've ever used, every light switch, every phone screen glowing in the dark, all of it traces back to a moment nobody recorded, performed by someone whose name no one will ever know. Someone who looked at sparks flying off two rocks and thought, wait, you are not separated from that moment by very much. You're separated from it by a chain of hands, passed down, unbroken, for over 1 million years. So the next time you flick a lighter, or watch a stove click into flame without thinking twice, that's not nothing. That's the end of a chain that started in the dark, with someone who refused to just sit there and wait for the sky to save them. They didn't wait. That's the whole story.